Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am here to introduce a new training course. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to design a professional website with Elementor Pro and Hello theme without coding. From beginners to web designers and businesses looking for an effective online presence. This training provides the necessary skills, focusing on installation, design, customization, creating contact forms, and publishing the site. This course offers a simple path to building and managing professional websites. This course has over 10,000 students and is practical. The current price with Udemy's special discount is about €15. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it, receive 3 related articles, and benefit from future updates. The duration of the course is 1.5 hours, and upon completion, you will receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn CMA contract and plan de hosting para career to sit IO webcon Elementor Pro YL, TEMA Hello Elementor. CMA career sit EOS web prof cyan ales con Elementor Pro YL TEMA Hello Elementor de Desero. CMA instalar plantil as pre-dice adas con Elementor kits para comes are a career to sit IO webcon WordPress y Elementor Pro. CMA personalize CRL dice o de to sit IO web de forma prof esi una L con L. Constructor visual de Elementor. CMA career un formula rio de contact o para to sit IO web con Elementor Pro. CMA public are to sit IO web and internet. Now, I have an exciting offer for you and want to give you this great course for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, open your browser and type couponcenter5.com into Google's search engine. In the results shown to you, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches what is displayed here, and you are directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking on the link, you will be taken to the home page of the site. On this site, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search section to find the course you are looking for. Now you can see the course. To obtain the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click on the button Go to the course. The course has been made available for free for you. Please note that the coupon has a time limit. Now you have gained free and legal access to this course with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.